Now, here's your forecast first from Fox 11 meteorologist Phil DeCastro.
Very warm day today. Temperatures well up into the 70s, even the 80s in many spots. And as we go ahead and take a look at your forecast first, those temperatures going to continue as we move on through the day tomorrow. Could be dealing with a little bit of patchy fog overnight tonight, especially along the Lake Michigan shoreline. Other than that, just partly cloudy skies. The severe weather index is low because we're just expecting partly cloudy skies over the course of the day. Tomorrow should also be a dry day, but the weather story is that these record high temperatures will continue. As we look at the highs and lows of the next 4 days, going to be around 78 degrees for both Sunday and Monday. The lows even close to 60 degrees. Our average high this time of the year, close to 30 to 40 degrees below where we're going to be at for the next couple of days. Here's what the record highs are tomorrow in some spots, generally hovering around that 70-degree mark, and they were actually pretty similar today. We smashed a lot of these records. Here's what our highs are as of just about an hour ago. 78 you got up to in Green Bay, 79 Appleton, Oshkosh, and Fond du Lac, 81 Clintonville, Waupaca, in Clintonville and Watoma, 82 in Waupaca. A little bit cooler along Lake Michigan shoreline. Only got up to 64 in Manitowoc, and that was just about the only spot that didn't set a record high today. And there you can see those records that were broken just about all across northeastern Wisconsin. Here's where we're at right now. Still hovering in the upper 70s to near 80 in many spots. A little bit cooler along the lakeshore, and you can see all those winds coming in out of the south actually do come in off Lake Michigan if you are right on the shoreline because of the curvature of the coastline there. But we're still about 10 to 15 degrees warmer in both Sheboygan and in Manitowoc than we were this time yesterday. We did stay dry today. Mentioned we did have a slight chance for a shower or storm or two. Looks like that didn't happen. Tomorrow we should be staying dry as well as this warm air just stays in place. Doesn't matter where you are, from Denver to Detroit, Billings to Buffalo, you are in the 70s to 80s, and again, that air going to be staying in place. So here's what Future Track says. Overnight tonight, partly cloudy. Tomorrow, I think we're dry, partly cloudy skies once again. Moving on through Sunday night and on into Monday, should be dry. Could see some fog once again. Monday, I think we've got a better chance for seeing some scattered showers and storms pushing on up through. We're still warm, and then we're going to stay very, very warm through Tuesday as well. For tonight, going to be seeing some patchy fog out there, which will burn off over the course of the day tomorrow. Low of 57, a high of 78 for tomorrow. Once again, likely setting many record highs, and then on Monday a slight chance for a couple scattered showers or storms, but in general should be fairly quiet. Now, even as we move on through Wednesday, it looks like our high is still going to be near 70, but if you notice, we do have a rain shower icon in there, and that's because we're going to see a weak frontal boundary attempt to pass by and cool us off. Doesn't look like it does too good of a job of the cooling off part, well, maybe relative to what our temperatures have been, but still going to be up into the 60s Thursday and Friday, and then Saturday in the 50s, but that's still 10 to 15 degrees above average. I mean, that's the kind of warmth that we're talking about.
Very nice. Amazing. A beautiful weekend. Everybody's loving St. Patrick's Day.
I know. For once, I'm popular around here.
Thanks, Phil.